Okay. See how this one turns out. This will be an interesting one, if I can make this one look good. So what are we going to do with this one? Okay, making it full contrast. Actually, we can't make it too light. Whatever I'm thinking about. Let's see if we can make this look come up a treat. Okay, I think we're going to pump up the cyan. We're not touching the other colours, we're just going to pump up the cyan. Right, what have we got and what are we going to do with it? That's going to be interesting. What have we got here is, it says Coolridge Australian spring water. I don't drink that shit very often. I don't like it. There's a bit of sticky tape to cover up the sticky bit. So we're going to make use of this Coolridge label. So we're just going to put it on the glass. I don't know how, I'm going to make it 200%. So we're just going to put it up in the corner. Try to, we don't want it on the lip, but we do want to be able to spin it round on movement. So let's see if we can make this one come up a treat. We've made that look good. This will hopefully be our master copy. Okay, let's see how that looks. Well, that looks interesting. You can see some rainbow breakups, but I'm wondering, we're going to make this is going to be a mirror image of some descript. So we're just going to take this and we're just going to put it, I don't know where to put it, I've just got to tear that off and I'll do that later. But anyway, we'll just take this one. We're probably going to enlarge a section. We don't like all of it, so we're just going to take it, we're going to enlarge it. I'm wondering how big we're going to make this. This will be our master copy, and we're just going to go, we're going to make it a 2-colour job. Black and red, black and blue, black and green, black and yellow. Maybe not in those exact order. So we're just going to switch it to that. And we're just going to make this one look good. So we're just going to go here and we're going to maybe darken it a little bit. And we're just going to go and maybe we can darken it there and bring up the text there. Let's see how that goes. So this will be black and red. We're going to make this hopefully into a mirror image. Hopefully I've got the right part of the picture or the master copy. So let's see how that looks. We've made it look good. Yeah, that looks quite interesting. It's got a bit of a dirty look, which is quite nice in this case. It makes it a nice, rich sort of a red. So we're going to stick that in the bottom corner. This is our first quadrant. And our second one is going to be, let's have a look, black and yellow. I like to do the hot colours first because we don't want the cool and the hot to be together. So we just want to make them make these ones first. Okay, so that one's come out and you can see it's now a dirty yellow. But the dirtiness isn't always a bad thing because not all of it's dirty looking. I just call it dirty because it's just got a bit of black in it, and the black just takes the colour and makes it dirty. Sometimes dirtiness is often not nice, like when you got really bad dirt, when it's extremely dirty and you can't see the colour. Well, that's no good, in my opinion. But this kind of dirty adds character, makes it look like a dark Like especially with the red, it makes it look like a dark red or a dark blue or a dark green, and the yellow just turns out to be a mustardy sort of colour. I know what I did wrong. I forgot to change it to mirror image, or did I? Yes, I forgot to change it to mirror image. So I'm just going to put that aside, and we're going to just reprint that. So we're just going to go here. Sorry folks, I just fucked up. Mirror image. Going with the mirror image. So let's see what happens. Okay, that's our blue. It looks very dark, very dark. You can't see as much of the dirty bits as you can with the red and the yellow, but it is dirty blue. So let's see if we can just slot that in nicely. It's like this one's not in the right place, or is it? So we've just got to try and get that nicely lined up as much as we can without getting too fussed. Now, fourth colour in mirror, this time also in mirror image, is going to be the green. Okay, let's see how that looks. Yeah, that looks nice. It's a nice looking green, and we're just going to lay that on the bed just to line it up with the other ones. Oops, we just nudged the red one with the green. I hate it when I do that. It's really difficult trying to straighten these up. And there still appears to be some curling, unfortunately. And the yellow one looks like it's curled, and we just nudged the blue with the yellow. Fuck, I hate it when I nudge things out of position. It's just so annoying. Okay, I think that's good enough. I don't think we're going to get too fussed, but anyway, there it is.